British Racing Motors Limited was owned and operated by my grandfather, Sir Alfred Owen, and we were Britain's first Formula One team. We raced in F1 from 1950 to 1974. Behind me is the BRM P201, 1974 car, which was the season where Motul sponsored the BRM Formula One racing team. The P201 used V12 engine. In 1974, the V12 engine produced something like 450 horsepower, and obviously the evolution of engines these days have become much more efficient, so the lubrication of those engines has needed to evolve as well. The lubrication needs were constantly evolving, the engines getting more efficient, the testing regimes for the engines, levels of knowledge that were building around engine and wear and heat control and those sorts of things. So the lubrication technology became more and more important in motor racing. And it's great to see the developments that Motul have made over the last 50 years to keep up to date and up to speed with the development of lubrication technology.